Hi, hello, ma'am. Good afternoon. This is Osman Guniocean. I previously uploaded my assignment of transversal skills for business success, and I got a very good grade. But still, um, you noted some feedback, and I thought that to mitigate those lackings and upload a new assignment would be a good idea. So there we go. My updated, a completely new version and updated version of the previous assignment. So yeah, I'm going to present it now. So um, uh, my project looks at the performance basically of 10 Dutch retail stores, and I noticed that monthly sales actually differ a lot. uh, Monthly sales actually differ a lot from one stores as compared to another, and also some stores consistently perform better than others. And because of that, I was asked a simple question. The question is, what actually drives these differences in monthly sales? And to answer this question, I have focused on six key points, as you can see in the screen. Uh, First of all, store size, and then number of staff, marketing spending, and customer satisfaction, nearby competitors, and how well the store is integrated with online shopping, which is mandatory in this modern era. And together, these factors helps us to understand operations, customer experience, market pressure, etc. And if I go to our next slide, this is about methodology. To investigate this, I used existing data from 10 stores, and I applied a quantitative analysis. So, firstly, I looked at descriptive statistics basically to understand the data. I compared average sales, as you can see, and looked at urban versus suburban stores. And I also checked how stores perform differently depending on their level of online integration. Then I also used multiple regression analysis. This allowed me to examine all factors at the same time and see which ones have the strongest influence on sales. Of course, there are some limitations, but still the sample is small, so results should be interpreted very carefully. Also, this is observational data, so I cannot claim direct cause and effects. And some external factors like weather, then seasonality, maybe local events were not actually included here. But still, the analysis provides us useful business insights which can be helpful. And if I move to slide number 3, this is about expected effects and business implications. This is about key findings basically. So what did I find? Firstly, I find larger stores tend to sell more. So greater selling area typically supports higher stock levels and conversion. That makes sense because more spaces means more products and better customer flow, and more stuff also improves sales because customers get help faster as compared to low stuffing and a better service. And marketing spending also helps, especially when it is targeted and when it is efficient. And customer satisfaction plays a big role as well. Happy customers come back and often spend more, so they are like repeated customer, I can say. On the other hand, more competitors nearby usually reduces sale because customers have more options. And one of the strongest positive factors was online integration, because features like click and collect or checking stock online make shopping more easier and increase overall sales, I think. And if I move to our next slide, this is about Dutch retail context. To understand these results, it is important to look at the Dutch retail environment. Um, The Netherlands has very high online shopping adoption, and customers expect seamless shopping experiences. Urban areas are especially competitive with many stores close together. I also see trends like mobile shopping, personalized marketing, high service expectations. So it is not surprising that online integration and competition density showed a strong effects in my findings. And if I move to the slide number 5, this is about recommendations. So based on my findings, I suggest three main actions. Firstly, strengthen omni-channel capabilities. For example, offer click and collect and connect online and in-store inventory system. Secondly, optimize marketing spending. Focus on this basically focus on what actually delivers results and target customer segments. Thirdly, invest in customer satisfaction, better service training, quick feedback tools, and incentives linked to customer experience can make a real difference in the business world. And in short term, fulfillment, improvement in online fulfillment and targeted marketing can deliver quick wins, but over the time stores should standardize best practices, and also the store should measure performance improvements as well. And about transferability, I would say that this model can also be used beyond these 10 stores. I mean, within the company, it can help predict performance for new location and support staffing as well, and store size decisions as well. And across the retail sector, the findings are relevant for fashion, electronics, and supermarkets also. And if this is applied internationally and globally, I think adjustments should be made for cultural shopping habits and local competition, I would say. And a practical next step, I think mm, this would be the test these improvements in two similar stores and measure the results. And if I talk about the team dynamics, during the project, I experienced the typical stages of teamwork. At first, we were polite and exploring roles, then disagreements emerged, but these were constructive, I would say, and helped improve our ideas by doing so. But later, roles became clearer and collaboration improved. Finally, I worked efficiently to complete the project. When I mean we worked efficiently, not I, sorry. And importantly, conflicts were actually task focused, which actually improved the final outcome, which is great. And about if I talk about my role, this is about involving during the project. I worked on data preparation and analysis. I helped keep the team on a schedule and later coordinated tasks and combined our outputs. I also used skills like active listening, clear communication, and conflict resolution. Yeah. And if I go to slide number 9, this is about reflection and growth. So my group followed a participative leadership style, where everyone contributed ideas. One thing I learned is that I should contribute earlier, actually, when discussion begin. Engaging sooner, I think engaging sooner can help to shape direction and improve decision making. This is personally I feel actually, and I also plan to speak up earlier, which will help frame discussion and also ask clearer questions during teamwork. Yeah, so in conclusion, I can say that store performance is influenced by operations, customer experience, competition, and digital integration. especially digital integration. The strongest drivers of sales were, I would say, firstly, staffing and store capacity. This is very crucial point. And also customer satisfaction, marketing effectiveness, and especially online integration. So yeah, this was my presentation. And especially I want to say one thing. I mean, retailers that invest in digital integration and customer experience will be best positioned to success in today's digitalized Dutch retail market. And thank you for listening. This was the conclusion of my assignment, and I'm very happy to answer any questions you may have. You can ask me during class or maybe through mail. And that was it. And I have put some references, as you can see. I took some references from your book, your lectures, and outside as well. So yeah, that was it. Thank you so much. Have a good night. Bye.